Good afternoon. This is Cliff in Portland, Oregon, and today's project is we are going to replace a prefabricated fireplace. This is a rental unit that's going on the market to be sold. This prefabricated fireplace has been, well, I guess the best way to describe it is well used. So the owner requested that we remove the entire system and replace it. So we're going to pull this system out, we're going to remove this tile, and we're going to be laying new tile, and we're going to be putting in an entire new prefabricated fireplace system. It's raining out, so we've set up our tarp so we can continue to work, and we're going to be cutting out the siding here and accessing the fireplace system from the driveway. And we'll remove the system via this exit. Okay, we've pulled the siding off of the chase up here on the roof, and we're going to disconnect all of this plumber's tape, and the theory is to drop this thing out all as one unit, pull it down from the driveway and pull it out. We'll see what happens. So Doug's getting ready to install the fresh air combustion line. This is a conduit that screws to the side of the fireplace module and runs to the outside wall so that fresh combustion air can be pulled in from outside. Say hi to the people, Doug.
Hey, hi.
Okay, the job's progressing. We have the chimney pipe in and we're putting reinforcing straps in it. We've actually put more straps than was called for by the manufacturer. Give that pipe a jiggle there, Doug.
All right.
It's in there nice and firm. So we've added extra reinforcement and we're going to start buttoning up the chase. And here we have the final product. We've installed all the tile work. And the interior of the unit. This is Cliff, Portland, Oregon. Thanks for watching.